Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Power BI visuals for UI-friendly dashboard design. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Power BI desktop. Load your data into the report. Navigate to the visualizations pane on the right side. Choose the type of visual you want to add to your dashboard. Click on the visual to insert it into the report canvas. Resize the visual as needed to fit your design. Position the visual in the desired location. Go to the Fields pane to select the data fields for your visual. Drag and drop the relevant fields into the Values, Axis, or Legend sections. Customize your visual by accessing the Format pane. Explore the various formatting options available for your selected visual. Adjust settings such as data colors, titles, and labels for clarity. Consider enabling tooltips for additional data context when hovering over visuals. Review your selection of visuals to ensure a cohesive design. Utilize the alignment tools to evenly distribute your visuals on the canvas. Preview the dashboard layout to check for user-friendliness. Make necessary adjustments to enhance the readability and appeal of your design. Save your progress periodically to avoid data loss. Once satisfied, publish your dashboard to the Power BI service for sharing. Share the link with your audience to access the newly designed dashboard. Regularly update your visuals based on user feedback and changing data requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.